Hello again. This video is a continuation of the video indicated in this picture, where I showed how I disassembled and checked the valve clearances on my Ducati V4. In that video, all valve clearances were within spec, so I didn't have to do a valve clearance adjustment. Now, with 15,000 more miles on my bike, I repeated the process and found that two valve clearances were out of spec, one on an opener, another on a closer. So here I show how I removed the camshafts, swapped out the necessary shims, and reassembled the engine while maintaining the correct valve timing. Both videos are a series of documented images, which keeps them short and allows viewers to flip through quickly and pause as needed.